I used to message him and say, damn, your trades are fire. You need to.
We grew up in the same area, and we shared a lot of experiences together. So the bond of friendship was always there from a young age. So you know my story. We obviously started a different trading company in the past. I had a fabric warehouse, and we started dabbling in Forex then. You were one of my first students for that company. And, we had an office at the back of our warehouse, which we call the war room. So when that business or that side of my business closed down and I decided to go full time into Forex, it was only natural that we named a new company FX War Room. And during that time is the time I was like speaking to Dre about trading. In fact, he got into trading after me on his own. Yeah, yeah. Like he knew that I was into trading and I was trading, and he used to ask me questions about it, and I was always telling me, "Bro, pull through. I'll teach you what I know."
So when you sorry to cut you off.
Yeah, yeah.
When you obviously I was there, you were teaching me and that stuff. At
Yeah.
that time, were you still in conversation with Dre, speaking about trading?
Not
No,
really.
not really.
If From what I remember, I was working at the time somewhere else, and I would, yeah, in Richards Bay, and I was always checking Jay's his stories, and he was always trades, bro. So I used to message him and say, damn, your trades are fire.
Check that
You need to,
McDonald's trade too.
yeah. I used to tell him, no, this was way before that. So I was telling him, what, you need to show me like how you do this thing, and he always said, what, bro, pull through, I'll show you. And at that time, I think he had a seminar that he was planning to have. So he said, no, pull through, we're having a seminar. But the problem was I was too busy at the time, so I never really went. But in the background, I was dabbling with it on my own. So I had MetaTrader and I was playing around with it. So I was developing my own kind of style to trading, but I never really get to go to Jay, but I used to always ask Jay questions.
Okay.
Always ask him, yeah.
So something like that.
I checked YouTube, but on YouTube, bro, honestly,
Too much.
it was too complicated for me. I didn't understand what the heck was going on there. So I remember the first time, I think I downloaded the app, put like 500 Rand, and I was just messing around trading, opening like a 0.01, seeing what profit it goes into, what loss it goes into, then opening like a 0.05 on gold, and then seeing, okay, it's making a little bit more money. Just dabbling around in a sense where I was learning what's a lot size.
Yeah, so like beginner
Like
stuff. Like
beginner stuff.
yeah.
Completely
Okay.
beginner stuff, yeah.